got this, Cat Boy. One cat. One ear cat.
I got friendly fired.
6 minutes on sector. 6 minutes. Near side of the 6 minutes.
Right there in front of you on the ground.
Okay. Yeah. Dead man. Huh? If go there, get there if you can.
You're getting shot from this way, though.
What?
You're getting shot from this way or that way? Alright, let me get in this window.
Doesn't hurt.
What's up?
I lost my tooth.
You lost your tooth? Ooh. It's
Let's
not.
see how bad it looks.
It's real, right? It's a real tooth? It's not a veneer?
Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, it's real. It's shattered.
You don't even know idea where it went.
No, it's shattered. Like when I pulled my balaclava up, all the pieces came out.
You said it doesn't hurt? What do you want to do?
I don't fucking know, dude. I'm like freaking out more than anything.
Give me
Can you suck air through your tooth?
No, like, dude, it's shattered into the gum.
Do this.
Like behind my tooth,
Yeah.
all I feel is gum.
Really? Go ahead, make it safe and head off.
Not going. I'm sorry. I'm 23. Like, I knew I'm not mad at anybody. I knew what the consequences of what was gonna happen. I'm sorry.
We're headed off.
You hear me? I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, you're fine. My job is not to play airsoft. My job is to help you guys.
Well, I didn't want you to think that like I was upset or
No.
no. Like I knew what I was doing when I didn't have the face pro on. So.
Have you had a dental history before?
Yeah. Do you see my right tooth?
Yeah.
That actually got broke.
Yeah, you got some big front teeth.
Yeah, I know. They get in the fucking way, don't they? I hate that. We drove an hour and a half to get here.
I mean, I'm not gonna keep you from playing if that's what you want to do, but
sit out this game and call my girlfriend and tell her.
Yeah. Taking a break for this game is definitely the wisest option.
I'm sorry, bro. God, it's so annoying.
No, that's
I hate putting this on other people.
That's fine, man. That's what I'm paid here to do.
Fuck, Corey, I can't believe my tooth just got a shot out. That's crazy.
Let's make our weapons safe, y'all. Barrel socks. Let's take a gander.
Ain't no pieces left. I guess they all fell out.